welcome back to my channel. Hey, hi. Just like you read in the title, girl, it's another sad little mukbang with your girl. And I have something that I hold very near and dear to my heart. And it's the 7-Eleven build your own motherfucking nachos. Look at those bitches. So these nachos go back, way back with me. Like literally, like these go back to my childhood, girl. You guys saw in the clips earlier how the hell I built these little nachos, girl. Honestly, going to 7-Eleven with my mother to get nachos was like the highlight of my life. Because we used to live in like this little rickety apartment building in Miami. And literally right next to it, there was a little 7-Eleven, girl. Oh god. There's a song in there. I love that. We used to go to 7-Eleven after dark, and like, I'm never gonna forget when she introduced me to these nachos, girl. Because they've been around forever, just like I have. And honestly, the recipe hasn't even changed that much throughout the years, girl. And personally, I like the soggy freaking chips on the bottom, girl. So yeah, Mom, if you're watching this, it's still as delicious as it was 10 years ago, girl. I mean, if you guys have never had 7-Eleven nachos, I suggest you run over there right now. And the secret is really to layer them, girl. You gotta put half the bag of chips, smother it with cheese and chili, and just build it, girl. Build it up. So I put jalapeno and onions on it. It was delicious. Sometimes I worry because do you guys remember last year? Some lady freaking died from bad like 7-Eleven cheese. Every time I'm like pouring that cheese in, I'm always like super skeptical about it. Guys, I'm gonna hate myself tomorrow morning when my booty hole is on fire. But it's worth it, girl. Girl, I really did that in. It was so good. Comment down below if you ever had fucking 7-Eleven nachos. You know, one time they changed the nachos to freaking Fritos, like extra large Fritos. The worst. I had such a fit. I wanted to ride the company. And I'm sure you guys have all seen Trisha Paytas 7-Eleven nachos. And she's doing it wrong, honey. You gotta get everything in there. I've seen people that do the cheese in a whole separate container, girl. Like they don't even bother with pouring the cheese over. That's chips and dip. Y'all are gonna turn me into a fucking whale. Love that. Anyway, guys. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, girl. The girl posts every day at 11 a.m. So set your little reminders, girl. Okay, I'll be here. So pray for me, guys, that I make it through the night after eating this whole mess. Share this video with all your little girlfriends so they can get disgusted. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers, bitch. See you tomorrow, babies. I love you.